Hi there. My name is Joe Crossman.
And I'm Gail Crossman.
We're both teachers. We teach English to learners of other languages.
We've been teaching English since about 1995, and we really love it.
That's true. And one of our favorite things to teach is English conversation. If you follow all the videos and the tips and study the questions that we present here in this course, I'm sure you'll be able to improve your English conversation skills. Don't you think, Gail?
Absolutely. Now, you also have to practice with the people that we introduce you to online. That's crucial to your improvement.
The more you practice, the better you get, and the faster you're going to improve.
And you'll make lots of new friends.
That's great. And once we teach you how to do this, you can keep on improving, and it won't cost you any more money. You won't have to study in any more classes or take any more courses. If you just want to improve your English conversation skills, this is the course that will do it.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.